In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Fortnite from Switch to PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and make sure that your Fortnite account shares progress between Switch and PlayStation 4. So, if you originally played Fortnite on a Nintendo Switch console and you would like to make sure that all of your progress gets transferred over to a PlayStation 4, all that you have to do is link both the Nintendo account and the PlayStation Network account to the same Epic Games account. To do this, visit the store.epicgames.com website through a web browser, either on your computer or your phone. Click on your name at the top right corner of the screen and then select Account. So once you sign into your Epic Games account and you go over to this page, you will be able to select Apps and Accounts on the left side of the screen, switch over to Accounts if needed, and now you will be able to see all of the external accounts that are linked to Epic Games. So as you can clearly notice, we have Xbox, PlayStation Network, and Nintendo account. So all that you have to do, like I mentioned, is link both your PlayStation Network account and the Nintendo account. Once you sign into this Epic Games account on either of those platforms, the progress will be transferred over. So you will be able to see all of your skins, all of the game modes that you play on, and so on. So click on Connect, you will be redirected to a page like this one where you can confirm your email, and then you will be able to finish this process either on the PlayStation website or the Nintendo website. Sadly, because it contains a lot of personal information, I won't be able to show it in full, but you can easily do this on your own as soon as you reach this website. And once they are connected, they are going to remain connected forever. You will be able to remove it later for whatever reason, but as soon as you connect it once, you don't have to worry about it. You can open Fortnite on any platform and the progress will be there available for you to access. So just do this once and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Fortnite account to PlayStation 4 from Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.